Welcome to another video by Swatara Warning Lights. I'm going to show you the install we just finished up on a 2019 Toyota RAV4. This is an all blue light install. We installed visors in the front, star signal, light bar underneath, Phoenix quad surface mounts in the sides, and Phoenix quad surface mounts on the rear. We installed a Phoenix 4200 mini controller here, right in the front. Star signal, visors, universal up top. Going to turn on all blue here. Here you can see we have blue in the front. Blue Phoenix quad surface mounts on the sides. And blue Phoenix quad surface mounts in the rear. Our second button overrides blue with blue and white. The blue and white was added to the front visors. As well as blue-white on the side. Blue and white on the rear. Front takedown. Light bar. That's the driving light bar, and this is rear light. Visors are on full flood override takedown, as well as light bar on the front. And the Phoenix quad surface mounts in the rear are full flood as well. This allows not only for use on fire calls, but also in allows for the use of auxiliary area scene lighting for things like camping and so on, since this vehicle is also a personal vehicle. Show you our electronics compartment. There's the Storm Pro 100 fuse box. And you just pop the factory cover over there. You can't see anything. That's the horn from the Storm Pro 100. It's the install on the 2019 Toyota RAV4. If you need warning lights for whether you're a firefighter, police officer, roadworks, or someone else that needs warning lights, feel free to reach out to us at Swatara Warning Lights. You can use the link below to contact us via our website contact page. We'll be happy to help you in whatever you need help, and if you choose to install them yourself, feel free to use the link to purchase any of the warning lights on our website. Feel free to ask any questions or any requests, leave them down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.